Hi, this is Delta Victorious. I'm here to read another poem from my book, Transformational Imperative. But first, check out my GoFundMe project, Jonathan's 12 Years of Suffering Must End. 3171, August 2nd, 2020, Pacific Explosion. Pacific Explosion. It's a cottage industry. These opposing opponent components, these stark undermining hysterical mystics, mask-wearing heretical lunatics who proffer agreements with silent staring contests, red sun displaced fun for now, future bright on a star-studded planet, awash in a pool of moonlight, awash in a wan pool of moonlight tonight, and the coruscating waves crashing restlessly, relentlessly, propelled by a brachial, corrosive, negative, angular, scathing energy, somewhere displaced by petering, flickering candles, somehow on this auspicious day, engaged in subterfuge, her non-essential red Sonia plastered hair, shaded like paint factory utilitarian mist, diminished nothing in her trance of blighted circumstances, belittled, entrenched, entangled web, a narcissistic, fanatical womb entry of denied dignity, surpassed by radical sunrises, in deep denial of the pain, in deep denial of the misery, the death of ideas, and the birth of fervent fanaticism. Pray for us paralyzed sinners with a dose of herd help us mentality, but not herd immunity. The backwards walk of ripping narrow rails, sustained even in fatally disastrous consequences. The potential Potemkin skies strike an alarming stance, weeping. The petrified smiling sun is intermittently, interiorly weeping in a perpetual state of disbelief. And the ragged wind sweeping out with abject prejudice, abandoned cares away, like hard rain, crying, moaning, whining, screaming like a banshee in the throes of punishing agony, a banshee in the throes of agony, in this, the Pacific explosion of dusty rubble collapsing, and the weather is angry. Dialectical sign perhaps inclined that hope is a coward hiding under the worn, torn floorboards, that hope is a lying coward hiding insipidly, ludicrously, guiltily under the rickety, torn, worn out floorboards. And that was poem number 3171, dated August 2nd, 2020, Pacific Explosion. And now, check out my GoFundMe project, Jonathan's 12 Years of Suffering Must End. This is Delta Victorious. I am the unsung poet. Thank you.